Okay, here we go again. I think we had officially 5.5, 6 inches of snow. Let's go see what it looks like. Ooh, it's cold. Looks like somebody's shoveled our sidewalk. That was nice of them. We got some blowing snow. Yeah, this pretty much filled in what was cleared off last time. Ooh, it's cold. I think the wind chill's about 9 below zero. Let's go out and see what the road looks like. I can see part of it. Poor guy down there shoveling. Here's a snowblower somewhere. Yeah, good luck with that. And there's still huge piles of snow here. See what the truck looks like today. Yeah, see, there's no way I'll back out of this hunk of crap. See this stuff piled up here? That's probably a foot, hard as a rock. Never get over it. You can see the drifting. Yeah, see, this was clear 2 days ago, so we're looking at a good 5, 6 inches of snow here. Ridiculous. All-time record as of today for an entire winter. And it ain't over yet. All right. Bill White, signing out. Freezing to death. Whew. Later.